See? Jake did it to 1-2 once, and now Jake came in clutch. Yeah, lurk it up, Flo, it's all good. Of course, they're a bit Turrican free as well, but I think a short, little, nice intermezzo, for example, would be Wiz and Liz. To also show off some nice little compact games on the Amiga. Oh, Psychnosis again. Who would have thought? But the music, right? On Planet Pump. The Wabbits were happy. Wabbit. In this game, you just have to hit fruit. And you bring it in here in a pot. And you can cook up some stuff. The spell is being mixed. Nice. The spell is completed. There we go. Okay, let's go to Lunar Land first. Collect the letters. Every time you collect a rabbit, letters are released. You need these, and then you just need to collect a specific amount of rabbits. Doing that will give you the exit for the next level. And then you have, just in time, you have to find the exit. Really simple game. And then it goes into another difficulty. You need to collect the next set of words. And you can collect new fruit for new spells, which is handy. And we got plenty of time. And we also collect more time by collecting the rabbits, so no issue at all. Simple game. So we collected all the rabbits. There were no lunar rabbits on this difficulty, which is fair. And now we got the oranges and the pears. Oh no. No, it's okay. Yeah, let's do grassland. Why not? Collect time icons for extra time. Sure as hell I'll do that. Well, we got the woofy. FPGA, there we go. And yeah, ace. And we're getting some extra time because you need that extra time really bad. Oh, we missed one out and we didn't get the bonus through, but it's okay. Because the time persists between all the runs. Which is the hard thing about this game, right? But we can mix up some big stuff right now. So we get spell number 1. What is it gonna do? Oh, it gave us a star exit. Let's see if we can get something new in. I never experimented around too much with mixing spells. The clock is stopped. This should be really easy. Snakes alive. Oh, now we just got a snake bonus game, which is lovely. I don't know why they would bring Snake to this game, but hey, we do it. See how far we can take this one. I don't know if we can reach this in time. Now we can't. Time came to a halt here. The soundtrack is giving me everything I need. I'm pretty sure Adept Nokia 3510 players do see strategies that would differ from my strategy, but hey, it is what it is. I'm going for some time there, huh? I don't think we'll reach that in time. We probably won't make it in time, but we can just keep a tight snake here. It's nice. Nice as well. 25k points, so hey. The quicker you get them, the bigger your score, it seems. And that's 50 points, but hey, it's better than nothing. Yeah, we won't reach that one. Let's just see where the next one spawns. Oh, wow. Okay. Still doable, all good. Yeah, okay, this one is out of the ballpark. Jake the snake. Imagine. Yeah, I think that's where it's over. But we did okay. Okay. Carrots. They do be looking delicious. Okay, there we go. Oh, we're close to bonus. We take that bonus for sure. To make it. That is. Oh, it's getting close with the timer, but we got some time back, so it's okay. Okay, what spell can we do with cherry and the carrot? Let's see. Let's see. Alright. Oh, 5k points. We take them. And we got no other fruit left or veggies. Okay, what do we have? Woodland, desert, desert land, deadland, snowland, temple land. A lot of lands left. I don't think we will do it with our current time amount. And I know the game would love us to do much more than we already did. Okay, there we go. But taking all that extra time might be helpful. It gets taken into account as well for all we do. So we need to get strong on these time bonuses if we can. Bonus S, we take it. Do we have something for us, bruh? All rabbit saved, let's go. Okay, we only get... one time icon is 3 seconds. Oh, we got a bonus round, no? Which is good because we need those time icons as well. Oh no, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh! That's 30 seconds up the clock. Oh, or was it just a separate timer for this one? Yeah, we got some time in. That's okay. Okay, we can add a banana and an ear and a pear and an ear to the pot. And what should I say? Put the banana in your ear. And what do we get? Spell completed. What spell is it though? Not gonna tell us. Door open. It's going to. You must now save all the wabbits. Could have done that all the time, right? Okay, let's get back out there. Pentel. There we go. Nice gathering up. We got some time back. Sitting in 43 at the moment. So another banana in there. Another orange in there. Let's see, because at the same time here... hint shop, okay. Sounds interesting. Let's see what... absolutely nothing, okay. Let's see what's in the hint shop. The old hint shop. And for 90 stars, what is I? You can quit the game at any time by pressing the escape key. Yeah. Oh, it's gone. Ought to be some good hints there. Okay, 43 is not a lot. But I guess Deadland it is. Go. Okay. Time is of the essence. Okay, we got the gas cannon. Let me collect the time. Okay, 6. It's not adding a lot, but it's better than nothing, right? Okay, strawberry. Strawberry and orange. What's that gonna be? MFNB QRJS. With 22 seconds, we're now really on a bad point, but we can. Oh, splat the deuce. Seems like those are the developers of the game, right? Oops. Ooh, 50k points for doing that. We can replicate that. Ah, a bit more to the left after charging it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3.5. Close. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the 3 then. 1, 2, 3. Oh, right on the plonker. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 25k. I'm wondering if I hit this bag, if it will do anything. No. Okay. Oh, good. We got some points in. Okay, how many levels are left? 2. Oof. Let's go Desert Land then. Ah, this is so tight. Yeah, it's over now. We lost a life, we got 3 lives left, so it's all good. We came far in 1 life, by the way, so that's okay with me. Totally fine by me. Let's go in. There we go. Okay, what can we do with the orange? Banana. Let's see. Okay, orange and banana in the spell mix. I think we did it before. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, orange and banana don't do shit. Okay, woodland. Last one. I think then it's boss fight. Okay, carrots. We will make good use of that. Okay, sure. There we go. Oh, we got some bonus letters. I like that. Okay, I think now it's time for the boss. Prepare to meet the freaky flower. I think being close to it deals damage to it. Okay, that's creepy, isn't it? Insane pixel artwork, though. Totally Amiga. How freaky can that flower get? We don't want to die on this one. Did we get the freaky flower? Yeah, we did. Yeah, wabbits! Nice. Congratulations. You have defeated Freaky Flower. Well done, thank you. You have completed the apprentice levels. You want to see strange games? I got plenty of that. It's a strange game, but I got... And so, I got stranger games. Wizzy had become... full wizard. And the rabbits were home again. Nice. But... Uh-huh. Oh no, not again. No! Rabbits! Can they be saved once more? Sure. Not now, though. Not now, though. Please enter your name. Oh, you gotta do it like that. And we're 4th, because we're not on a high difficulty. Alright. DJ Mike.